Hello students, let us read out the Maxwell distribution speed. Okay students, so what is the Maxwell distribution speed student? Let us try to understand this one, and then with the help of this Maxwell distribution we have to understand the kinetic theory of gases, okay, and different type of molecular velocity. See student, it has already been pointed that a gas is a collection of tiny particles separated from one another by large empty spaces and moving rapidly at the random in all direction. In the course of their motion, they collide with each one another and also with the walls of the container. Due to frequent collision, the speed and the direction of motion of the molecule kept on changing. Thus, all the molecule is a sample of the gas do not have the same speed. Although it is not possible to find out the speed of an individual molecule, yet from probability consideration, it has become possible to work out the distribution of molecules among different speed. Okay. This distribution is referred as the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution in honor of the scientist who developed it. It may be noted that the distribution of speed remains constant at a particular temperature, although individual level speed of the molecules may change. Maxwell plotted the fraction of molecules having different speed against the speed at a particular temperature. The curve so obtained is shown in the 5.22 and called the Maxwell distribution curve. Let us see student, what is the Maxwell distribution? Maxwell distribution curve of speed at a particular temperature. So they are particular temperature, what are the speeds are there student? That is, first one is their RMS speed, this line. Then that is average speed, AV, and last is most probable speed. So this much is the what is that is RMS, this center one is that is average, and this one is most probable speed. Okay, now let's read out this one is the important feature of Maxwell distribution curve can be summed as follows. The fraction of molecule with very low or very high velocity speed is very small. The fraction of molecule possessing higher and higher speed goes on increasing till reaches the peak, and therefore it starts decreasing. The maximum fraction of molecule possesses a velocity or speed corresponding to the peak of the curve. The speed corresponding to the peak of the curve is referred to as the most probable speed. The most probable speed may be defined as the speed possessed by the maximum fraction of molecule at particular temperature. Effect of temperature on distribution of speed. It may be noted that fraction of molecule having the most probable speed remains same as long as temperature remains same. Now, however, on increasing the temperature of the gas, the molecular motion becomes rapid, and consequently the value of the most probable speed also increases. The entire distribution curve in shift towards right with the rise in temperature as shown in the figure 5.23. However, the area under the two curves remains the same. It represents the number of molecules. The rise in temperature increases the fraction of molecules having higher speed. So this is their Maxwell distribution curve at a different temperature they have given student. So this is all about what we are trying to understand from the Maxwell distribution curve. That is, they are having the different speeds are there for the different number of the gases. Individual speed you cannot determine, but on an average you can determine. So that is when you are increasing the temperature. Okay, so that is RMS speed is shifting to the right side. This is all about the Maxwell distribution curve student. Thank you so much for watching.